How to do competition analysis in Semrush. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. Or actually I'm just going to show you the best way possible to do competitive analysis using Semrush. But first, if you're just starting out with Semrush, make sure you go down to the description. You should be able to find a link which is going to get you a 14-day pro trial instead of the usual 7. This is going to give you a heads up of Semrush and use it before you actually end up subscribing, because you're just going to be able to try out all the different features with this trial. So just click on the link in the description and get started from there. Okay, so we are just going to start out by logging into our Semrush account, and we want to head on over to the SEO tab on the left side here. Then we should be able to find competitive analysis, and really the main one that we want to focus on is going to be domain overview. This is going to be the best tool possible for this. This is going to be the one that you use most often for competitive analysis. So just go ahead and click on domain overview. And the only thing that you need to do from your part is going to be finding the competitor that you actually want to check out and compare between them and your domains. So you just want to go ahead and enter their domain in here, and you just want to go ahead and click on search. So once you enter a domain, they're just going to pretty much give you the gist of it. They're just going to give you all the different details that you actually need, including the authority score here, which is going to tell you whether you're going to be basically up for competition with them or not, or if you have higher chances of ranking above them or not. So basically this is going to be how tough they are, just in simple terms. So if they have 62 and your domain has, let's say, 10 or something, then you're just a little far behind. So you just need to actually grow a little bit before you compete with them fully. You also have organic traffic, which is going to really give you an idea whether they're growing or shrinking. So almost in real time, you can actually see that it has a little percentage down here, and you can see that from here. Also, the different things here like paid traffic, organic keywords, and so on. Just some data here that you can actually see and learn from. But if we scroll down a little bit, we should be able to find more informative things here, like the top organic keywords. So if you really just want to know what they're using and what's really working for them in terms of keywords, you're going to be able to find them from here, which is the top organic keywords section. You will simply just want to click on view details, and this is just going to give you a lot more keywords that they've been using, the volume for them, the KD for them, meaning keyword difficulty, and so much more. Also, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find also keywords by intent. So if you really wanted to have specific keywords for specific intentions, like informational, commercial, and transactional, you can also find them in here. Navigational, I don't really recommend that, but we can just click on view details and be able to see that as well. Some other things here like main organic competitors. So it's just going to give you other competitors as well that you can check out if you want to. You can click on them and it's just going to take you to their page, which is going to look exactly like this. So all in all, it's just going to give you pretty much everything that you need in terms of seeing how your competitor is actually doing. So again, for example, we want to see the keywords. We can just click on view details, and it's just going to give us a list of different keywords that they've been using with more details about them as well. So let's just wait for it to load. Scroll down a little bit, and we should be able to find keywords, the intention, position, traffic, volume, KD, everything. So all of these things are going to be available for you to check out from this just this one tool, which is very, very powerful. With that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.